To report on Google Analytics segments, start by understanding what segments are and how they can help you analyze your data. Segments are subsets of your website traffic that share common characteristics, such as demographics, behavior, or traffic sources. First, log into your Google Analytics account and navigate to the Reports section. Click on the Audience tab and then select Overview to get a general idea of your website traffic. Next, click on the Add Segment button at the top of the page and then select New Segment. Here, you can create a custom segment based on various criteria such as location, language, device, or behavior. For example, you can create a segment to analyze traffic from a specific country or traffic that has completed a certain goal. Once you have created your segment, apply it to your report by clicking on the Apply button. You can then compare the segment data with your overall website traffic to identify trends and patterns. To get more detailed insights, use the Secondary Dimension feature to analyze your segment data further. For example, if you have created a segment for traffic from a specific country, you can use the Secondary Dimension feature to analyze the cities within that country that are driving the most traffic to your website. Another important feature is the date range comparison, which allows you to compare your segment data over different time periods. This helps you identify changes in your segment data over time and make data-driven decisions. Best practices for reporting on Google Analytics segments include regularly reviewing and updating your segments to ensure they remain relevant, using multiple segments to analyze different aspects of your website traffic, and comparing your segment data with your overall website traffic to identify trends and patterns. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Google Analytics segments to gain a deeper understanding of your website traffic and make data-driven decisions to improve your marketing strategy. Regularly reviewing and analyzing your segment data can help you identify opportunities to optimize your website and improve user experience, ultimately driving more conversions and revenue for your business.